Okay, so we've done the first part in our last class, so we'll be looking toward the other aspect of what the quadratic equation, the one that is carrying what, the one that the squared variable is carrying what, the coefficients. Are we following now? Yes. So this time we'll thank God that we've understood the other part now. Let's now see when the coefficients of the squared variable is being given. Okay? Are we following now? Yes. Let's just pick what one example what and solve and see how it goes. Are we following now?
Yes.
Now, the first one we did before, there was no what coefficients of what the squared was variable. Are you following now?
Yes.
Now we shall be looking at what when a number is being given, when a coefficient is being given to what the squared was variable. Are you following now?
Yes.
It's still what we are still applying what the same what pattern, but there's something here that is different from what we did in our first class. Are you following now?
Yes.
In this case, what you do here is this: look at that coefficient that is what in the back of what, or at the back of what, the squared what variable. You now what multiply it by what, the constant. That's the first stage. Hello. The first stage is what you will look at that number that is what at the back of the what squared variable. You now multiply it what by the constant first. Are you there? Yes. Now see what I'll do here now. 4 times 6 is what? 24, right?
24.
Okay. Now I will assume, hello. I will assume that what now there's no number here again. Are you there now? And I assume that this 6 here is now becomes what? 24. Are you together now? Now see what I'll do here now. I'll now look at what the middle number. Now this is where the work starts from now. We'll look at what the middle number now. I'll now look for what? 2 numbers. That I'll do what? I'll multiply. That will give me what? This 24 which I've multiplied here. Hello? And when I add these 2 numbers or I subtract from each other, it gives me what? The middle what now, which is what? 11. Are you there now? What did I say? The first stage here, I will repeat myself again. The first stage here is by what? Look at what? The coefficients of what is square variable. That number that is back, right? You now multiply it by what? The constant. Are you there? Yeah. You now place that constant what outside now. We have what? 24. All now multiply this and this together gives us what? 24 now. Are you together now?
Yes.
Now you now come back to what? The middle number now. Look for what? 2 numbers. That you do, you multiply, that will give you what? 24. Right?
Yes.
When you add up these 2 numbers together, all you do is subtract from each other, it gives you what? The middle number. Are we there now?
Yes.
So now let's now look at for what those 2 numbers now. I think we have the same 6 times 5. 11, right?
Yes. 6 times 4.
Are we there now?
Yes.
Now let's now see those 2 numbers that can give us what? The 24 here, which we've just talked about, right? Let's use 8 times what? 3, right?
Yes.
Equals to what? 24, right?
Yes.
Now look at this side now. What's here is plus, right?
Yes.
Put a plus here at this 8, right? Plus what? Plus 3 now, right? This is what? 11, right?
Yes. 11.
But therefore, 8 times 3 is what? 24, right? So
yes.
that one we've got our answer to what? 11 what? X, right?
Yes.
That means we've gotten what those 2 numbers that we can use to what represent what the middle what number now. Okay?
Yes.
Now let's move ahead and solve. 4e, right? See, I continue with the 4e, right? Everything are working together, but not that 24 now. But we're still working on this 6, right? Yes. But it's just that we have to multiply what this time this outside work, right? And now we now have what plus what? 8x, right? Plus what? 3x plus what? 6 equals to what? 0. See that I didn't bring 24. Rather, it's for our workings, right? But the question given to us, what is this? Now, what I do here now? Put a bracket here, right? As usual. And what as usual, right?
Yes.
What's going on here? 4e, right? 4e. X, I'm used to X. Don't mind me. Okay, 4e, right? It's common. 4 cancel 4 out, right?
Yes.
E cancel 1e. What's left?
E.
1e, right?
Yes.
Plus 4 in 4. 2, right?
Yes.
E cancel. Just 2 left, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's here? Plus, right?
1.
What's going on here?
3.
3, right? 3 cancel 3. 3 left, right?
Yes.
E left, right?
Yes.
Plus what? 3 in 6.
2.
2, right?
Yes.
Equals to what? 0. Are you following now?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue now. What should I do here now? Form the bracket with outside ones, right?
Yes.
4e plus what? 3. Also, e plus what? 2 equals to what? 0, right? Are you following now?
Yes.
Now 4e plus 3, 0, right?
Yes.
Or E plus 2 equals to 0, right?
Yes.
Are you feeling now?
Yes.
Let's continue now. We have to form the answers now. 4E equals to what? 3, right?
Yes.
Hello? Or E equals to what? Minus 2, right?
Yes.
Are we?
Yes.
Minus 2. Are you feeling now?
Yes.
Let's continue now. See that E must stay alone. E must do what? Stay alone, right? After
Yes.
the Bible server?
Yes.
By 4, right? By 4, right?
Yes.
4 cancel 4, right?
Yes.
Therefore, E equals to what? 3 over 4 or minus what? 2. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Do you really get this? Hello?
Mm.
Do you guys want now?
Yes.
See how it works? Very, very simple, right? The only difference here with the one we did the last time was what? Because there was no 4 here. Now there's a 4 here now. That's why the solving word changed. Are we for it now?
Yes.
So this is just how it works. Thank you. You can subscribe to my channel.